Hello engineers, कैसे हो आप सब? Hopefully you are well. I'm also fine. So today, now we are going to discuss. If you have watched my first video where we have set up uh, we understand the where should be base classes, utilities classes or package, or where should be test classes. If you are aware these basic things, now we are going to set up very basic framework so that you can understand easily. So first of all, I will pick the driver manager. We will write a code in the driver manager. Hope so. I will cover one by one all the. So here driver manager I will implement by using the ThreadLocal. Why we are ThreadLocal? ThreadLocal, let's suppose we are running the multiple script is running. So that case we have all the running script can take a instance and the required resources so that we will implement the ThreadLocal. So ThreadLocal ensure the each test thread get into own driver instance. So we have need to create an object of the ThreadLocal like private ThreadLocal. ThreadLocal. And we have need to add the packages first. Give me import import org dot open qa selenium Chrome driver and one of the import. Then we have create instance of the third local. Then what we have need to initialize the browser driver. How we can initialize public static void init driver. And now we will set up the Chrome driver. You know, previously we have need to add the exe file, Chrome driver, Edge driver. Now we don't need to do like that. We will like web driver manager, array, web driver manager. dot chrome driver dot setup. Correct. Then what we have need to then create a new chrome driver and store in the thread local. How we will store? Okay. TL thread local dot set new chrome driver. Chrome driver. Then get method to return the current thread browser. We have need to return the thread browser. So we have need to create a function public static. Why we are doing static this? Because we don't need to create a object directly by the method name we can call. Hmm. Thread driver dot get. Now what we have need to do, return the now method to quit the browser and clean the thread local memory. When all the task is done, now we have need to quit the browser and clear the memory void driver. If thread local driver dot get equal to null, then tl dot remove thread local driver dot remove. Yeah, it is the basic code we have written for the driver. Okay, now we have need to go the base test here in the test cases. What already you have need to watch the my first video so that you can understand basically what we are going to implement. Base test, it will this method run base test. We are writing the test case here. So already I'm inside the base test and annotation. Here we will use the test ng annotation so that our test case will run accordingly. Before method public void setup. What the setup is the driver manager dot test and annotation. Yes, before method it will run before the initialize the browser using the driver manager, or this method run before the every test like test case or annotation test. Then what we are doing, we are doing the maximizing the browser in the same. If you want to maximize, then you can add here manager dot get driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. Yeah, maximize the window. Then open the application URL driver dot manager dot get driver dot get driver dot get. Here we can provide the URL. URL is like https. This method next is the this method run after the every test after annotation base test. Here we are writing the base tests and after method here down dot manager dot quit. Then base test is done, driver is done, base test is done, before after method is done. Then come to the home page. This is the home page. I'm on the home page. First of all, we will take the WebDriver reference, then contractor to initialize the driver on the home page. Then what we will do, getting the driver instance from the driver manager. Here we will what we will do, we will on the login page we have need to enter the username, password and login button, and return to click on the login button and return to next page. This is the uh, agenda of this class. So go private driver page. Then getting driver, how we can get driver, this dot driver why it is saying like this dot driver equal to mm, tick base search for text. There is not product base, that's why its error is here. And we are printing text. Print error text here. Then enter the username driver dot find element. Dot send key. Stitch. Driver dot find element. ID is what? Login button. Password. And then send key. Send key is such. We need see. And then click on the login button. Find the element by ID. And return. Okay. Then come to the product page. What we are doing here, we are fetch the page title and method to add product to cart, and we will get the product page. We are add to cart. We are on the product page and we are add to cart to buy a product. Simple. That's a very simple thing we are doing in the product page. There is the list of the product on the page and we are selecting any one. That's it. So same thing, web driver. Driver and then public product page. Yeah, now fine. Then what we will do, this dot driver equal to manager dot get driver. Then we have need to outside this function method add the product. So create new function, public. It's so simply driver dot find element. Then come to the cart page. Cart page, just we are product verify product is present in the cart page and clicking. What we are doing on the cart page, we are verifying the element, sorry, product is visible. Private. Constructor with the class name and then creating the one function also. Name. Get properties. Get page source. The source of the last load page. If page has been modified after the loading, there no guarantee. Then the return text is that of the modified page. So please consider. So that's why we are doing get page source. Update page dot contains product name. Now it's fine. Check here. What is the issue? Change the no product page. Here is the product page and the issue is no, it's fine. My God. Okay, now come to the base test. What is the issue here? Okay, now it's also fine. What we have done, base test we have done, and this we have done. Okay, so we can run one of the race case so that let's suppose if I come in that XML, then the project test search test. Everything I have done so far.